Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to properly make coffee using an AeroPress. I like to use the inverted method. Set up your AeroPress like this. Wet your filter in the disc to avoid the papery taste. Use heated water and discard it. Put in a scoop of coffee and fill with enough water for a cup. Stir a few times. Wait for a minute. Screw in the cap and filter. Place your cup on top and flip it over. Press down steadily, but don't push out all of the water. Remove the AeroPress and enjoy. And that's how to properly use an AeroPress coffee maker. For more tips, click the link.